Okay, I am going to share with you my Vital water. It's a kind of a good thing to cleanse out your system, detox your body, and we will be using organic mint, organic lemons, half of a organic cucumber, a dash of the Himalayan pink salt, and purified water. I will slice these up and we'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. I got everything chopped. Got 2 lemons sliced. I've got 10 mint leaves. I just ripped them up a little bit. And then half the cucumber and the Himalayan pink salt. Now, I had made some the other day, but my 2-gallon thing's half empty for the sake of the video. I'm going to spruce it up again. So I'm going to take my lemon. All the lemons in there. And we'll throw in our mint. And then our cucumbers. Okay. And then we'll take our dash of Himalayan salt, which I'm using a 1/4 of a teaspoon here. Add that in there. So now we got all that good stuff in there. Now the fun part is trying to get the water in and do the video. So what I'm going to do is add this. Alright, so I'm going to add the other gallon of water, but I will have to stop the video for now. Be right back. Okay, got the water in. Now we'll just give it a stir. Get that all stirred up in there. The juices rolling around. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Beautiful colors. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it seep overnight. So then tomorrow we'll have some great tasting water. And if you're like me, if you don't really care much for water, this is a great alternative to having good water. It tastes great. It's good for you. Enjoy. I hope you liked the video.